Oh my god, look at this massive, massive poo-poo on Bitcoin. And is it over for Bitcoin, or it is a lifetime's opportunity to buy for a lower price? That's the main question. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice. Like always, do your own goddamn research. Please watch this video till the end. And yeah, I'm gonna talk about what it caused this crash, what's up, what is up with the Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to talk a little bit about gold and NASDAQ. I'm just going to talk like any other influencer out there is talking about the crash right now. So this is a hot topic. So let's do this. Let's go straight to the chart. And on the daily time frame, I mean, what did you expect? 2 months in a row, I was talking about an upcoming some kind of pullback. All right, we see we receive from some proper pullback. We receive a massive crash, or not massive crash. I mean, it depends on your risk appetite. But yeah, the money flow was leaving the market. Even this pump on a daily time frame, this rally to the upside, and this beautiful ascending trend line that I was talking about, like, I don't know, 2 videos in a row. Keep an eye on this setup. And after a breakdown, boom, congratulations, like I mentioned before, for those who were shorted, boom, massive movement to the downside right now. Of course, we're going to talk about this crash. We're going to talk about some kind of news, fundamental analysis, but even looking basically on those, I mean, basic technical analysis, everything was like in your hands. Money flow divergence, let's just say that. The money flow wasn't there. Boom, crash, descending trend line. I mean, ascending, beautiful trend line. Respect that trend line. Let's just go on the 4-hour time frame, all right? Beautiful ascending trend line that was broken to the downside. Of course, sorry for not making this video earlier. I just wanted for the market to settle down a little bit, to, I don't know, start seeing some kind of support, and then we can do a video. I don't like doing video when everything is crashing. Oh my god, Bitcoin is gonna go to zero. No, you don't know that. Maybe this is the bottom, but I doubt it. But no one knows for sure, so only speculation. Only speculations, no prediction. What do we see on the Bitcoin right now? First things first, let's just jump straight into my Twitter. I tweeted today that I'm super proud of myself that I hold a lot of cash and not invested everything into a crypto, because I was preparing cash as a weapon against this upcoming crash that I thought, and I cannot say I predicted, but I always waiting for those massive dips, and my cash is like, I don't know, it's like a weapon to buy some more, to fight against those crashes, to buy something more, to accumulate more. So yes, I was bullish and I was buying some altcoins, not that crazy like other investors, but I saw this coming, not based on my fundamental analysis, but also according to my technical analysis, because like I mentioned before, money flow divergence. I mean, the money from the market was like leaving the market. Money was leaving the market. That was it for me. All right, I started to accumulate and buying this extra dip. Well, it's not like extra dip. We'll see how far we can go. I mean, how deep we can go down. But yeah, some of those altcoins who were on the very bottom, right now they found a new bottom, which is crazy. And yes, I meant it. I love to see when people come into the market when everything is pumping, and when they leave when everything crashes. That is why 98% of people deserves to be left behind. And this is true. I mean, I want to talk so much about it, but this is not my point for the day. Just look at that. During the whole year, look at those meme coins, crazy meme coins, Pepe, Bonk, of course Solana with their meme coins, Floki, everything is like pumping except those solid normal projects. Of course, Ton, I love Tons, but I want to see some other project. Why Ethereum didn't reach this all-time high, which is crazy. Bitcoin did. So yeah, and for those who are in my VIP community, they already know that I started to accumulate a little bit of Ethereum, because, well, I'm a Ethereum guy. I don't like, I mean, I don't care if you like it or not. Maybe the gas fees and everything is more expensive on Ethereum, but I'm still accumulating Ethereum as hell. I'm a fan of Ethereum and always will be. But all right, let's just jump into it. What just happened? I mean, the whole market is crashing. Everyone's panicking. Look how the stock market, everything is going down. Google, Amazon, Tesla, everything is going down. I just saved those. Shout out to those guys who were like posting those news immediately. Taiwan stock market crashed, worst day in 57 years. I mean, this is absolutely insane. So right now, some kind of recession started. Probability to see the whole recession thing. I mean, we'll see, but I have no idea. We'll see. I mean, over 2 trillion wiped out from the stock market that I posted on my Telegram group. There's a link down below. Go check it out. Of course, we have some bullish people who are like 30%, 25% pullbacks are nothing to them. I mean, they're right. this type of shakeoffs or shakeouts in the market, it is a normal, it is a healthy thing. Of course, they're pushing the narrative that is bullish. It's a healthy thing, but we'll see, of course, right now a possible recession, the stock market, the Japanese yen going to the moon, or Japanese, I mean, USD Japanese yen are going down. So congratulations who took that short on Forex. I mean, for those who are trading Forex, that was like insane. We'll talk about that in a minute. Of course, we also have some bullish news that look at those massive whales. They're buying Bitcoin, they're accumulating more Bitcoin, and if you're believing this whole ecosystem, in the Bitcoin, in this whole market, so this is the time where you can buy some more. Taiwan stock market, whatever, from this is the same thing. Japanese stock market suffers worst loss since 1987. I mean, there's a lot of crazy from the big problems, small details like this. The trading platforms reportedly down, like these 5 trading platforms, probably even more. Even the Robinhood, I don't know, hold their trading platform from 24 hours if I'm correctly. So comment down below. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. 1 billion leverage crypto position was liquidated in 24 hours. Absolutely crazy. For those guys who are not using stop loss, or I don't know, maybe they're all 1 billion leverage position with a proper risk management with no stop loss. I don't know, the martingale strategy or whatever. But this is crazy. If you were liquidated, you should be embarrassed. I mean, always use your stop loss. I mean, I'm always like saying, guys, don't be greedy. Put your stop losses on, risk reward ratio, your risk management, everything put in. I mean, one straight plan, and I don't know how else to explain this, because yeah, it is what it is. 1 billion leverage crypto position was liquidated in 24 hours, whatever. Of course, CZ is right. If you can't hold, you won't be rich. So you have to keep holding. You can't buy on top and sell on the bottom. I mean, buy high, sell low. You cannot do this. You have to hold it, and to grow your balls, let's just say that, in trading or in investment, crypto is a crazy roller coaster. Which is this is bullish, and that was like super crazy, and I was surprised that BlackRock Spot ETF surprises everyone in 1.55 billion in trading volume in the first hour when everything opens. I mean, open it. So that was crazy. So you see a lot of crazy, I mean, bullish, bearish news. Everything is like, but let's talk about charts, because god damn it, charts never lie. Of course, I can add some fundamental analysis to my, I don't know, to my whole thing, but charts never lies. I mean, 2-3 months in a row, as I mentioned before, I was talking about this ascending trend line, right? Where's my pen? 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple touches, like 5 touches, breakdown, boom, movement to the downside. Beautiful, beautiful trade for those who took it. For those who took this trade, congratulations. Of course, right now, what are my expectations for Bitcoin? Look, even freaking here, even here. Look at this beautiful money flow divergence. Price is pumping, but the money is leaving the market. There's a probability for us to see a movement to the downside. And according to our charts, all right, from here, moving to the upside, boom, this crash. It is the same type of stuff. I mean, just from the different point of view, that was like going to the upside. It's like, it's the same thing. Nothing is actually crazy right now. The craziest thing is, what if this support won't hold us and we're gonna see a movement to the downside? That is why I'm waiting right now, because there's a lot of heat in the market. My expectations for Bitcoin right now. A lot of trading influencers, like, I mean, not even them, but a lot of people are talking about this gap. So my gap is at this golden zone. At this golden zone, there is a gap right now, and of course, this from this low to this impulsive movement to the downside. Now there is a chance for us climb towards the upside, retest these levels. I don't know, here we'll see, or even here. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my Telegram channel. There's a link down below. It's absolutely free. Turn your notifications on and wait for my goddamn call. Boom, movement to the downside. Of course, what do we see? What do we see as well? My beautiful descending selling pressure. Well, let's just call that, all right? Descending trend line. That would be beautifully connected with this impulse movement to the downside, this supply zone. So maybe you won't be able to catch this golden zone, but we'll see. So the short probability to open a short position from here or here in movement to the downside. But we'll see. Let me just quickly delete that. We'll see. No predictions, only speculation. Let me just go on the daily time frame. This is the bullish. This is a very bullish thing for me. More than 50% of this whole candle that went to the downside was accumulated today. So what I'm doing right now, and you should guys do it as well, let's just wait for this day to, I don't know, pass. I mean, I'm waiting for this day to close. I want to see what type of candle we're going to close it, and then we're going to move from there. I'm waiting. I'm being patient. And yeah, look at this beautiful that I draw. I don't know. You had all my technical analysis, all the possible support and resistance levels on my Telegram group. So act fast. You always can download it for absolutely free. Or you can always, I don't know, follow me on YouTube. Redraw it or whatever. I was talking about this support supply zone because this is where the price was respected the most. Boom, rally to the upside, and from here, boom, movement to the upside. Accumulated this selling pressure. I mean, the buying pressure is here, but of course the selling pressure as well. So the real fight, bulls and bears are fighting right now. So let's just wait for this day to pass, and let's see how this candle will close it. Let me just quickly delete this. Let's just jump straight to Ethereum charts. All right. Ethereum, in my opinion, looks a little bit more cleaner than Bitcoin. More cleaner key levels and trend lines. So right now, I'm also surprised that more than 50% was accumulated right now in the past like 2-3 hours. That is crazy. The money flow, where's my pen? Was also not there from here. Of course, lower high, but whatever. Still, the money flow was pushing the price towards the downside. Nothing crazy. I mean, nothing new for me. Boom, a pullback. Even here, look, pullback, but the price is going climbing towards the upside. The money flow, everything. I mean, the money is leaving the market. That was expected. I was expecting this, and yeah, the movement to the downside as I expected. But beautiful as well. Ascending trend line that was broken to the downside. And right now on Ethereum, for me, this, let me just zoom in on let me just double check 4-hour time frame. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, I believe this trend line is valid because multiple touches, boom, movement to the downside. And if this is our low and this is our this is a high, this is our low, I mean, I do expect maybe Ethereum could even retest its discount zone if this is our high, or you can even draw right here from this high, but not that accurate as on here, this golden zone and discounted zone. So maybe there's a probability right now, of course, impulsive movement to the downside. So I'm interested if we can beat that from here. Where's my pen? On Ethereum, movement to the upside, retest this whole resistance zone, not even those golden zones, discount zones, supply zones, to retest this support zone that right now is our resistance, is it truly our resistance, and then movement to the downside. I can even see, let me just quickly delete it. I saw one thing. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit scary, but there's a probability for me to see Ethereum. These are most important key levels. So if it's gonna, the price is gonna go towards, to the downside, everything is gonna crash even more. Boom, break this key level or previous support. I mean, right now it's definitely our support, previous our resistance from I don't know, November 23. 23rd, and if we're gonna get back inside this range, so yeah, $1.6 thousand, it is also a possible scenario, but we'll see. So the first will be like 1.9, 1.6, and of course from this place where we see the most of the buying pressure, the whole demand zone, from here Ethereum was accumulated super fast, but still we'll see. Waiting for some kind of retest at these levels on the daily time frame. All the juices are in the daily time frame. Of course, the money flow is gonna keep dumping, but the price somehow is gonna keep pumping. This is my expectation on Ethereum, but who knows? I'm always relying on those trend lines, descending trend line. The selling pressure is right here. Well, breakout movement to depths. Of course, this is not what I believe that's gonna happen next, but yeah. Retest on Ethereum, some kind of retest on Bitcoin, and then open a short sell position as well. Of course, let's talk about something else. Let's just talk about gold. I posted this about gold, that there's a probability for us to retest this mid-range. Of course, it happened, not that perfectly as I expected. Crash on, I mean, in the whole market, everything is crashing. And yeah, on gold, on the bigger time frame, ascending channel, that will be a problem. It's the upside, downside to the upside. We'll see. Still the mid range is holding the price. Look how beautiful it's respected. Boom, multiple touches at this zone. The mid range is working. So we'll see. But the main thing about gold, because there's a lot of heat in the market, the war, I mean, Israel, Iran, everything is like going down. The whole vibe in the world is just terrible. And the gold, the one and only gold, is doing pretty well, actually. It's pretty well. It's, let's just say it's all-time high still. So gold is very solid and strong. So for those who are buying, I mean, maybe a lot of people are buying and holding gold because they know that the gold, that brick is the only thing that can survive with that thing. I mean, the gold is always a good investment for people, but that is probably why it holds and stays that strong. Of course, NASDAQ, I'm not going to discuss about all those altcoins, but I'm going to leave it to that long video that I promised you guys. Oh, we got like TIA or whatever, 10% bounce back up. Well, we have some green ones. We got some green ones. USD JPY. Look, if it depends on what perspective you're gonna look. If you're gonna look at simply Japanese yen, it's pumping like crazy. It's deflation right now in Japan. And USD JPY. So in Forex, congratulations for those who are shorting. But boom. Movement to the downside. The money's, of course, the money flow doesn't work on the Forex market like it did on crypto and stocks, but still, boom, movement to the downside. And NASDAQ, I told you guys, you can find this technical analysis on my Twitter if you're gonna scroll down. I don't know. I told you guys to be careful because the stock market, everything is in overbought territory, which is like was super scary for me. I compared the previous one, the previous rally. I mean the rally, the previous one. So descending channel, boom, breakout to the upside, and this descending channel as well that was broken to the upside. Even the trend line on the daily time frame was respected. 1 2 3 4 5 multiple touches. The trend line, ascending trend line, is respected, and after the breakdown, insane movement to downside that we never experienced this before in the stock market. Let's just use the NASDAQ as an example on every stock market, right? Boom, negative almost 17%, thousands of points, pips, was massive drawdown. So, but still, even stock market, I mean, everything everyone is accumulating super fast because they probably think that this is a lifetime's opportunity. Even our godfather, hold on a second. Even our godfather, Warren Buffett, is like holding right now $277 billion in cash because he's gonna buy for cheap. I'm gonna buy it for cheaper. He's gonna buy everything for cheap. He's even sold 50% of his Apple stock. So this guy knows what he's doing, and yeah, he's a true veteran. He's like a true G, the real G in the stock market. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Waiting for some kind of hold on. Waiting for some kind of movement to the upside, retest around these levels. I have no idea about accuracy right now. I'm standing away from this. I'm waiting for the market like form something for me. Even on the 4-hour or daily time frame, I can't see nothing. I'm not gonna long it from here, that's for sure. On Bitcoin, this is a Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. The movement to the upside around these zones, then I'm thinking about opening another short position. Or maybe this all crashes over. No one knows that. Maybe they're gonna start feeding us with some bullish information, with some bullish news, and everyone is gonna start, all the retail traders, everyone is gonna start investing into crypto again. Everything's gonna start, I don't know, flying to the moon. Who knows? But right now, what I see from the market structure, waiting for some kind of retest, boom, movement to the downside. As well on Ethereum, waiting for the retest around these zones, and then a movement to the downside again. We'll see here, or here. Let's just let the market, I don't know, I can't say wait for the market to stabilize because nothing in here right now is stable, but be patient. Let the opportunity come to you. Don't chase it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My thoughts on Ethereum and Bitcoin. The whole market is right now, it's crashing. We'll see about this whole recession thing. Of course, waiting for those Feds, that emergency meeting. I don't know technically. I mean, specifically when it's gonna happen, but I want to see when it happens, how the market will react. Are they gonna start printing more dollars? They have to start cutting all those rates. And yeah, so charts never lie. I'm always like trading based on charts. So yeah, comment down below your opinion. What are you guys buying, or you not? You hate crypto, you lost a lot of money. Just comment down below your opinion. Don't be greedy. Start using your stop loss. Don't be like those 1 billion whatever people who got liquidated. Their long positions have been liquidated. So don't be like those people. Don't embarrass yourself. Be a true trader. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't be greedy. Always use your stop losses. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. This is a healthy thing. I mean, anything could happen in the stock market, in the crypto market. When you see drawdowns, we as well see days when everything is pumping. So when everything is pumping, we are happy, and when the thing is like dropping, don't be sad. Use this as an opportunity, as I do right now. I'm preparing my cash to accumulate more Ethereum. I'm starting to accumulate Ethereum from here because for me it's a good levers to buy, because I believe in that second bull rally. But we'll see if the history repeats itself. I would be mad if everything is gonna go south and not play out. I'm always trusting myself. Yeah, I trust myself. I'm always trust my technical analysis. And yeah, so don't be scared. Do your own goddamn research. Don't be greedy. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.